How to record your Mac screen using QuickTime. Open QuickTime Player, go up to File, New Screen Recording, and then you're brought this option bar on the bottom. So these two options are the screen recording options. So this one is to record the entire screen, and this one is to record a selected portion of the screen. So if I click this, as you can see, this highlighted portion, which means that would be the only part of the screen that is recorded. And you can also adjust the size of this box by hovering over one of the dots and adjusting the size. And then there are other options, such as if we click this options button, you can choose where you want the video to save. You can choose if you want there to be a countdown timer. So once you click record, it can count down from 5 or from 10 or just start recording immediately. And then you can choose your microphone for a voiceover. So you can choose none. You can choose your computer's default built-in microphone, or you can choose a USB microphone that you have plugged in. And once all the options are to your liking, click record. And so now I'm recording my screen. I can move stuff around. And then to stop the recording, click this little circle with the stop icon up top. And here's the recording. And I can play it, and you can see the actions that I just did. And that's how you record your Mac screen using QuickTime.